Hey, what's up guys, my name is Zahir, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the iPhone 10 gestures on your Android smartphone. So let's begin. As you see, I am using my phone with iPhone 10 gesture, as you see right now on the screen. So for doing this kind of thing, you need to download this app called Home Bar Gesture. Go to Play Store and download it, and after downloading it, just open the app, and there you see the toggle of enabling this app. Just enable this app. When you enable it, you will see this pop-up of accessibility. Just enable the accessibility of home bar gestures and go back to the app. In the app, there you see some options. Just set it as per you like. I will set as per my liking, so you will see as per my liking what I like. I set it. When I swipe up, it will go home. When I swipe left, it will go back, and when I swipe right, it will switch to the last app which I have opened. And I will not set any of this round wipe because it's kind of little complicated to do that kind of gestures. Now go to the long wipe, and when you see this long wipe up, just select this as recent, and on the long wipe left, just put it none. I have put it none. And go to the last options which you see. There you see the long swipe right. Select that as split screen, but please remember that it will not going to work on any Android below 7.0. So guys, as you see down there, you have this bar where you can just swipe up from this bar and you will go home. Just swipe left to go back, swipe right to go to previous app, which I have told you. And if you want to do multitasking, just swipe up and hold. But I don't like this bar, so I will hide it. There is an option to hide this bar. Just hide this bar, and yeah, please remember that if you like vibration, then it's your choice, but I don't like the vibration in this thing, so I will put that vibration to 0. Yeah, that's it. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then don't forget to like this video. And yeah, guys, if you really like this video, and if you really like this type of content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because many more awesome videos are really coming soon on this channel, guys. You will never ever regret to subscribe this channel, guys. So hit that subscribe button, and yeah, it's free too, so there is no cost to you. Just subscribe this channel and hit that bell notification icon too, so you will be notified when I post new videos. And yeah, if you want, then if you really like it and if you want to share this video, then please share it to your friends or on WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever you want. Once again, thanks for watching this video, guys. Bye bye.